This apple berry salsa with cinnamon chips is so good. If you love recipes that are really versatile, this is it. It works as a fruit cup for your kids' lunch boxes. It works as a base for a smoothie. It's delicious served over vanilla ice cream, and it's incredibly easy for children to eat, especially if they've got braces and you want to get food like this into them. So delicious and healthy. Let's put it together. I'm going to make a batch of apple berry salsa. It is a Pampered Chef classic, but I make it a little healthier by using all fruit and no added sugar. All we need are fresh strawberries. They've already been washed and dried in my salad spinner, a couple of apples, some kiwi fruit, and a bit of orange juice. If you're packing lunches, the apple wedger is so handy. I'll show you a couple of ways that you can use this. You can put your hand right over the top and just lean into it to make wedges. When you've gone almost all the way through, but not quite, pull it back up gently. Just push from the top, never from the bottom where it's sharp. And you're gonna leave the core intact. Press it back together, put it in a Ziploc bag, and at lunchtime, your family can simply pull the wedges off and it's less likely to brown. I wanna make salsa, so I'm gonna drop these wedges right into the electric twist and chop. All right. We'll just do one apple at a time. Give it a quick pulse. We're making salsa, so think about how small does your food need to be to fit like on a dipping chip or as a condiment. Kiwi fruits are delicious in this, and you probably know, but when you wash your kiwi fruit, the skin is actually edible. So if you're making slices, it's very tender. I didn't always know that, but for today, I'm gonna start at the top. I do wanna peel it for salsa, and the pivoting peeler does a great job of that. When you get to the stem side, this little divot is perfect for getting those pieces out of your potatoes, the eyes of your potatoes and things like this. There we go. Just removed it. Just chunk up your kiwi fruit so that it will spin freely. To take the hull out of your strawberries, you can use the part that comes with your pepper core, and it gets it all out just like that. A couple quick pulses. Can you smell this? We'll add everything to the bowl. If you like, you can add a little bit of orange zest. I skip that because we don't prefer it, but I do like to add a little bit of fresh orange juice. This gives a little bit of sweetness and flavor of a hint of orange, and it also helps add a little more citric acid to keep your apples from browning. That's all there is to this. The original recipe has you add a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar. I absolutely don't believe that you need it. This is delicious right away, or you can store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. We love this as a dip for cinnamon pita chips. My grocery store didn't have them, so I found these instead. They are a grain-free churro cinnamon chip. I'm sure these are gonna be great. So take a dip. These chips are kind of thin, they might break. So good. Those multi-grain Tostitos scoops are also delicious in this. I hope you'll give it a try.